If you're planning to use the C-Train in Calgary to travel around the city, I'll show you how to purchase a train ticket here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. To get yourself a paper train ticket to board the C-Train, you need to use a ticket machine. These are located at the platform at all train stations. Here you can choose from an adult or youth single ticket, or an adult or youth day pass, or you can also add multiple tickets or passes. For this demonstration, I'll pick an adult single pass. You can either pay by cash, it must be by coins, or you can also pay by card by inserting or tapping the machine. It accepts Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. If you choose to use a bank card, if it's not Canadian, make sure it can also work in Canada. You wait for it to print, you take out your day pass or your paper ticket, and now you're ready to use it, and it's good for up to 90 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to pay by a prepaid ticket, or if you want to learn how to use the C-Train, because there are stops that are free to use, then check out these videos. And check out all my videos, and please subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.